situation. Yes, ma'am.
Where? Dude, these guys are fucking braver than the Marine Corps, dude. Look at that.
No.
What the fuck?
No, they were just COVID-19.
What the fuck is this guy doing?
That we had contracted with to come down, and we're still going to get them. But what happened is the vendor actually had to turn around and send them home, and they're going to come down.
Homie's just casual,
that
dude.
Just adds to the challenges.
Extra casual, just chilling. Originally, I literally was. Oh, here it is. That's it. Oh!
Power pole's thrown into it. That would be a difficult thing. Look at that leaner right there. It's already starting to lean. But we're getting close, so we're gonna need to do something. Oh, that roof is coming! Holy shit!
Oh! That's fucking insane! Oh my god!
Yeah, that's it. That's a problem right there, folks. That's would not have been that safe, I don't think.
That's not safe. I don't think. Look at the electrical lines, dude. Even that alone. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? Yo, let's run that back, dude. Let's run that shit back. Dude, what the fuck? Some of these like Louisiana constructions are made out of fucking paper, dude. My man said.
In worst case scenario, that brick falls on their cars. The roof could easily get off to get power poles thrown into it. Very difficult. Look at that window right there. Oh, that roof is coming! Holy shit!
American built, baby. That's tough.
Yeah, that's a problem right there, folks. That's safe, I don't think.
That's just crazy, dude. All right, President Joseph Robinette is live as well. He's talking. He's giving a briefing on FEMA.
Again,
let's take a look.
A lot of resources, a little bit of luck, and as my grandfather would say, the grace of God and the goodwill of the neighbors. By the way,
Inshallah.
look out for your neighbors. If you're in the region, look out for your neighbors. I'm not supposed to take any questions, but go ahead.
If someone asks about Afghanistan, I'm gonna lose my mind. Of course. Oh my God, dude.
Eventually, I'm not going to be able to get back in there.
Jesus fucking Christ. Jeff's stream went down. His wife kept calling him to remind to wipe his lens off. Jeff is my favorite storm watcher. I will be going in and out of Jeff's streams as well. Obviously, he's the best in the game. Like, absolute best. How much did I give him last time? Like, I donated like... How much did I give last time to Jeff? It was like 500 bucks or something, or was it 1,000? 500? I don't know. And then he mispronounced my fucking name. Is there any scientific value to what he's doing? No, dude. This is pure America, baby. There is...
We're still in a very outer part of the inner core. I can't even put it to
There's
word.
precisely zero science going on here.
All arrives.
They're just psychos. Elon should sponsor them some Cybertrucks for this. Are you fucking insane? What, you want them to drive around in a fucking vehicle that can go for like 100 miles max, dude? Yeah, dude. Yeah, let's get them a Cybertruck so they can fucking die out there like 100%. No, motherfucker, all gasoline, dude. That's the only way to fucking escape situations like this, okay? Pure diesel. All power is down and you're in an electric box with a fucking lithium battery in the middle of a goddamn hurricane. You wouldn't make it out of there? Yeah, no shit. cops are just driving around. Buy him a helicopter? Yeah, totally, dude. Helicopters are the greatest in a hurricane, dude. Everybody knows. Motherfucker, helicopters are already a death machine on a fucking, you know, no cloudy day. You know what I mean? Like 0 clouds and helicopters are still fucking dangerous. The only thing you need is a submarine, okay? That's what you actually need. Oh, is this it?
Thank you, Hanson, Piker. Thank you for your massive support there, buddy. I appreciate that. That's awesome, buddy. Thank you, Hanson, Piker. Thank you for your massive support there, buddy. I appreciate that. That's awesome, buddy.
Thank you, Hanson Packer.
Downtown Lake Charles. Let's talk about safety tips. Let's go right into safety tips.
Dude, I love this. I love him so much. Like, he has no idea how much we love him, dude.
Wall
I'm out of control.
Or the,
I apologize for that.
Thank you, Hanson Packer. Did the magic weatherman make this happen? No, man. It's China. It's a Chinese storm. They're sending winds out there from China. It's fake, brother. It's not even real. These guys are all fucking actors. They're method actors, brother. They're making it seem like there's fucking real storms happening. I've been down. I got a cousin down in Louisiana right now, brother. Let me tell you something. They tell me it's actually sunny out right now. They send me photos. I saw it on Facebook. Every Louisiana patriot right now. That's right. That's my cousin right there. He on Facebook. He just out there fucking, you know, living his best life. They're lying about these storms, brother. I see the fans right outside. They actually got them fucking, whatchamacallit. They got them CGI. They got them photos from previous storms that were real. Katrina was the last real storm, brother. All of them other storms since then, they're fucking not real, brother. They're fucking fake. I'll tell you what. That's right. I know the truth. I know the truth.
It's like a wooden roof, doesn't it?
Folks, notice how the bank is safe during the storm? That's right. That's how you know it's actually the Fed that's doing this. Yep. Joe Biden's Fed is working with the Chinese Communist Party. And the banks are safe. That's why you need to get crypto. That's why you need to buy my crypto right now, folks, okay? It's called Truth Teller Crypto. I'm just out here showing you all the fake storm footage. Global warming, of course, is a conspiracy made up by the Chinese communists. In celebration of Donna dropping and storm watching, let's play one of Kanye's hits. I already played it. Look, I already did that.
And subtle, but in even many ways more profoundly devastating, is the lasting damage to the survivors' will to rebuild and remain in the area. The destruction of the spirit of the people of southern Louisiana and Mississippi may end up being the most tragic loss of all.
George Bush doesn't care about black people.
That's right.
Pushing 100.
I can't believe you're platforming the hurricane storms first. First the Taliban, now hurricanes. I mean, dude, absolutely. Dude, George Takai liked my tweet. What the fuck?
As the inner eye wall.
This is Grand Isle as Hurricane Ida makes landfall. By the way. It's Grand Isle, folks. Please, Hassan, stop. This is actually my grandpa. He thinks FEMA is a concentration camp for white people. He's right. Your grandfathers woke to the reality, brother. They're just using this fake hurricane to put you and me. Is there someone there? What the fuck? Is that a human?
I'm back.
What is that? That's insane.
Yeah, it's a perfect spot for eyewall. No, stay back.
What was that?
Yeah, it's a perfect spot for eyewall. No, stay back.
What the fuck? This is not the same storm chaser. No, look at that. That roof. We watched that roof fucking explode in front of this dude earlier. Who's he talking to? My man says stay back. Yeah, okay, bro. Is he whistling? What the fuck?
I think the power's out. I'm not seeing any sparking.
That guy, we've seen that guy. Wait, are they gonna talk?
You see that roof? Yeah. I was right next to that roof when it lifted up. I had time to back up, put it in reverse, and like, it was just floating in the air.
They're fucking...
Yeah, I think they're dead.
I love rolling down my window and talking to other fellow storm chasers in the middle of a fucking I'm just gonna keep tweeting. I'm just gonna keep tweeting random shit. Like Biden government faking this Chinese hurricane to put white people in FEMA camps and teach them critical race theory and climate change. Not real in parentheses. Stay woke. Democrats, Republicans were all storm chasers in the eyes of God. The storm picks no sides, brother. We chase it together as brothers in arms. Amen. Video of the eye of hurricane this morning. It's what? Oh my God, dude. That's that CGI, brother. Don't believe it. Stay woke.
I ain't gonna keep video when it's hitting fire on my windows. I gotta get out of this wheelhouse. Y'all be safe. Pray for the 20 men out here.
Y'all be safe? Motherfucker, you be safe. What do you mean, y'all be safe? You can't be in the middle of the fucking storm and be like, y'all be safe out there. Before and after security camera footage from Fire Station 12 in Delacroix within 1 hour time span.
Hey, Connor just passed me. I think he's heading your way. He might be blocked by trees.
Yeah, my man thought to himself, like, this is a good day to take the boat out. Yeah, I love, you know, them's good fishing right there, brother. I'm gonna get all the crawfish out here today. Good day to go crawfishing. What the fuck, dude? He's like, Yeah, I go to the eye of the storm. I get a net, okay, and I'm catching them crawfish with the net. I just stand in the middle, put the net out, all them crawfish falling into my net.
How far till I will now?
I'm gonna get so much for the bubblegum shrimp.
20 minutes.
Crawfish on a boat.
Thanks, Tyler.
Gonna have a crab boil after anyone who wants to go. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Sure is.
Look at what China doing to our God-fearing country. They're called mud bugs, dang it.
Yo.
You need towels or anything?
No, I got plenty.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you need anything?
What's that?
You need a squeezed water filter? You can start getting some drinking water out of some of these puddles if you want.
Sounds like
I
a
got
plan.
plenty of supplies.
We're probably gonna need it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I go out there, I go out there, I get this suck puddle. I go out there, I get one of them straws they give to boys in Africa. I got one from Infowars.com. I put that shit right in the suck puddle, I call it. That's right. I get my water straight from the source, you know what I'm saying? Yep. I bathe in that. I bathe in that water. It's good. It's good natural water, you know, not that fluoride shit that the government gives you. That's right.
I'm gonna come over there in the moat.
You tell me to take the
Likely.
vaccine, I won't do it, but I will bathe in this water right now. Going down to the bayou. Get my fucking... Going down to the bayou to get my bathing on. I ain't trying to go... I ain't trying to turn gay like the frogs there, brother. Your white trash Cajun voice needs some work. Yeah, I know. Oh, that shit's coming off, dude. Get out of there. Get out of there. I love that this is like hella ads for Rod Superstore, by the way. Why don't we just nuke the hurricane like Trump said? Could he die? Yeah, of course. This is what the Discovery Channel uses to film the inside of an eye of a tornado. Bro, that shit literally looks like one of the fucking technicals that the Kurdish militia makes. You know what I mean? Have you guys ever seen like kitted out technicals? This is like the Dominator. One of the many vehicles out there that they use out there when they're in the eye of the storm. I myself, I go out in a goddamn Prius, but why does he have teeth? He keeps whistling. It's like very
Keep that window open.
making me uneasy.
That's what happened to the Auto Parts. Napa Auto Parts.
Dude, get away, dude. That shit's gonna come off. Wait.
Lower profile. Brick.
He's coughing because his engine is fucked and the exhaust fumes are coming out of the AC? What the fuck, dude? Wait, he'll die.
What do you guys
He'll
think?
die from carbon monoxide poisoning. He can have a little CO2 as a treat. Oh, that shit is fucked. Dude, that thing could easily just fucking slam into that car and then you're fucked. What's he taking cash out? What is he doing? Everyone in Louisiana the day after the storm. Free crawfish?
Of Lake Charles. Black man, look at him. He's thinking about.
Dude, gator on the neck. Gator on the neck. He's got his like little puddle boots. Cigarette in the mouth. This is the most Louisiana man in America right now, dude.
Unfortunately. It's going to be exponentially stronger. There's a big difference between a 100.
I wasn't even joking when I said this is how motherfuckers operate. Like,
yeah, kind of.
he's got the cigarette in the mouth, like, yep,
in my head.
getting them crawfish. Why is NBC doing this to Al Roker?
Is the wind destruction over 330 times more powerful?
Like, why did they send him directly into where the fucking water is like where the hurricane's making landfall and the water's just like hitting him in the fucking back of the head.
That's for sure. Al Roker, God, get out of that unsafe weather there. Thank you,
Yeah,
Al.
get out of there, dude. Yeah, get out of there, Al. Just kidding. Don't get out of there. It's fucking awesome. They're like, get out of there, but also don't get out of there. You know what I mean? All right, let's keep going. If you have an Amazon Prime account, what the fuck is this? Is the second? This is Dominator 2. Al Roker addressed concerns of his safety.
I've done this for 40 years. Our crews and we all make sure we're safe. We're not going to do something that's going to put ourselves at harm's way. As much as I love the weather and I love NBC, I'm not going to risk my life for it. Secondly, a number of people, well, he's too old to be doing this. Well, hey, guess what? Screw you, okay? Try to keep up. Keep up, okay?
Respect. Oh, that's another storm chaser right there. Also driving around with looking for crawdaddies. Louisiana was the second most popular state for searching ivermectin. Now look what's happening. Mother Nature is in cahoots with the CDC on the pandemic. Yep, that's right. Why the fuck are there so many people driving around in a hurricane? America, baby. Are you insane? That's why. They're doing it for us, chat. Literally so we can watch. More. You know why? You know why people do this? Because they're looking for that hurricane. That's right. Okay. Because they're chasing that hurricane. Also known as the eye of the storm. That's what an uneducated man would call. Hurry cussy. Oh, that's right. Who needs their Mrs. Sussy 8? Who needs they hurry cussy 8? I'm such a fucking idiot, dude. This is the worst community on the internet. I love it so much. It's so fucking stupid. Hey, yo, who needs they hurry cussy 8? H3H with the best response to your tweet. I've been shooting at it. I think it's slowing down, brother. Yeah, keep shooting at it, brother. Hold the line.
3 miles that way.
H3H, dude, do we have enough horse dewormer to stop this hurricane? Yeah, brother. I'm stocked up. I'm spraying the hurricane with horse dewormer, brother. This sign is faith in Allah, dude. How is it still holding on? Kind of wild. Kind of wild that this sign is still fucking holding on.
Check out it now.
I respect it. Oh my God, did he just get out? Who's he talking to? Why did he just get out to talk to someone? What the fuck is he doing? What an absolute animal, dude. Oh, he's doing a live report for AccuWeather? He's not letting some Planet Cane stop him from talking to his friend? Yeah, what if he fucking locked his keys in the car, dude? Imagine homie just fucking locks himself out of his car. What do you do then? You're just like, all right, well, I guess I'm dead now. This guy's got some good takes. You are exploiting the work of storm chasers. You're making money off socialism. Now you're exploiting the work of storm
The roar
chasers.
is deafening. Woo! Jeez.
Did you guys make the hurry cussy joke, dude? You're disgusting. You're disgusting, but also I'm totally downloading this.
Yeah, we're getting northeasterlies.
Bro, this one of these things is gonna fucking fly off and hit him.
Oh, the pole came down.
Stop driving to it!
Come from the bank?
Why is he driving to it? What is wrong with you?
Upstream, the one I was gonna take shelter in, one of them.
Jatter said if he runs out of gas, is there even anywhere he can get some? Yeah, dude, totally. He'll go buy some gas, Chatter. He'll just casually go over to the gas station and buy some gas. Bernie is live. Okay, dude. So what? Motherfucker, unless Bernie Sanders is reporting from the eye of the storm, I do not care, okay?
Look the mirror out. We're good. We're good. Did you get that? No, I saw it. What? You got it? All right, guys, there's sheet metal everywhere. Get back in the car, bro. The whole roof's coming apart.
What the fuck is he doing? Ah! There's a dude who's out there. There's a fucking dude who's out there. Get in the... Oh my fucking god, dude.
That's not good right there.
Oh shit. Motherfucker's about to get sliced, dude. Yo, these people are insane. He was bringing him beer.
Safety glasses on now, so no worries, see?
Oh, dude, good. He's got the safety glasses on. He's got a helmet on. We're fine. You are so getting banned for showing this guy die on stream. He's not gonna die, dude.
But crazy thing is, last year I forgot to pay my auto insurance. I chased the whole 2020 hurricane season with no auto insurance.
Dude, these guys are fucking awesome, dude. Wait, is he moving? There's a cop right there. Cop's like, what the fuck are you doing? Oh, that's a friend? How does he? Oh, those aren't red and blue. Never mind. Yeah, he's about to get pulled over, dude. Sorry, sir. We were watching your live stream, and it turns out you were cracking a cold one with the boys.
Not good.
I hope you know that that's illegal. It's called drunk driving. It's a DUI, and it's very much not allowed.
It's gonna be too late now to get to it.
Afraid I'm gonna have to take you down to the precinct with us, sir. Sorry, sir. Do you know why we pulled you over today? A hospital roof that came off. Jesus.
Oh my god.
Fucking Christ, dude.
Yo.
Shadows do not live in Louisiana. Shut the fuck up. I'm sitting here and the wind's about to pick up and I'm laughing because of the jokes rather than worrying about 100-mile winds about to hit me. Be safe. The Louisiana State University. The Louisiana State University evacuated only the football team and no other students. Are you fucking serious? I know I got LSU students that are in the chat right now talking about how they're just like sitting at their dorms and shit, I think, and just watching. Why did they not? They want to save. They want to save the real important folks, which is the football team. You need to save football. Louisiana football. Oh my God. He's at the edges, dude. He's already hit the fucking outer walls. He's like about to hit the eye of the storm. That's crazy. 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 Is he
Easily
making
blast up to Raceland if it does go due north.
Is he making noises with his
Penetrate the
mouth?
eye.
How much looting news has there been? What looting, motherfucker? There's no looting, bro.
Roads are closed up there.
Who's gonna be looting right now? They want to fucking have their TV blown out of their hands? Like, you gotta wait until you gotta wait until the fucking storm passes by to go out and, you know, get some new furnishings. Bro, this dude is looking at it through the fucking little window that he has for his AC unit, bro. Are you serious? Why is he there? You hear that, chat? This hurricane commentary is gold.
Ain't about shit. But at 12, it ain't 12 o'clock yet. At 12 o'clock, it's supposed to hit land down there around Grand Isle. And then we go see more wind flying around this bitch. The trash can will probably be flying down the fucking street and all that, but they ain't got nothing there. You see, look at that gust. Look at that gust. Look at that gust. Look at them wires. Look at that shit. You think I'm gonna leave for that? This motherfucking house ain't moving. I promise you that. Fuck this shit. This bitch stood through Betsy and Katrina and Mabel and Sue and every damn body else. I'll be fucking if I'm leaving. I need to cut my grass though. Shut up. Ain't about shit.
Bro, he definitely should evacuate.
Drinking water. I'm about to go to the store right now. I don't ran. Yo, baby, drinking water. I'm about to go to the store right now. I done ran out of toilet paper. You know I need that. Because when this shit starts spinning around up in here, I'm gonna be hiding. I'm gonna be ducked off right there in the house. So I'll hit y'all up later. Drink water. Be careful. Yo, baby, drinking.
This does not, dude, I don't understand how the fuck.
Yeah, I know you hear that shit hitting in that phone. But it ain't hitting like you gonna be hitting in a little while. Like I said, that damn storm been hitting. The hurricane ain't hit land yet. So that's all we get right here. You look, you took a piece of my fucking side and all. But that happened last year. I just never fixed the bitch. Yeah. And that's why I don't leave. Fuck, everything blocked off. All the windows blocked off, so shit. Ain't nothing coming up, yeah? This bitch is still.
Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god. Bro, he is going through. He's probably driving through that dude's neighborhood right now. He's going to a different zone, right? He's going to a different location and he's trying to fucking.
A lot of drag on the top of the car with those gas tanks. Same wind warning.
What is going on? He's getting an emergency weather report, dude. It's like, hey, I don't know if you know this, but you know, there's a hurricane going on. Hey, man.
I think we got it.
Your phone GPS is telling me you're driving directly towards the eye of the storm. I just wanted to let you know that that's not a good idea. Heads up, but lots of wind. This is psychotic! This is insane. This is like, how is he... This is stressing me the fuck out, dude. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's not stable, dude. That could fly the fuck off. Yo, serious question, but like, I was just about to say, like, how the fuck is his internet still going? Like, chat's made this joke a million times over, but pretty sure Reed is safe. because he's anchored. He's anchored heavily in his Subaru. And he's anchored by his absolute gigantic balls of steel. So pretty sure he's going to be all right. His balls of steel hold him down. They weigh him down inside of his Subaru. Oh, shit. This just ended. Eye to eye penetration.
Oh, no.
Oh my God. What is that? Is that like a... My man said, oh no. Yeah, oh no is right, dude. That's a shipping container. That's Trainwreck's house, dude. That's Trainwreck's old house.
Whoa! Get him in a mezzo board right there, folks. A miniature tornado, if you will. Yes, dude.
Bro, he's basically at this point driving through water. Like he's literally, it's like he's fucking steering through the ocean. You know what I mean? So this is the best argument against free health care, dude. Why is he doing this? Because he wants to penetrate Ida. That's literally why. He's currently trying to literally get into the eye of the fucking hurricane. May Allah grant him the strength, dude, and keep him safe in his travel. And if you're wondering why he's doing that, well, that's because he's a fucking psychopath. That's why. Shut the audio off, please. Are you kidding me? Fuck no, dude. Like half of the fucking environment, dude. You're getting into it. Dude, him singing is making it so... I don't understand how he's able to fucking stream this, like, when most people can't even get, like, full unfettered connection. It just, like, doesn't make sense.
90?
Yes, it's Murgo's wet nurse. Chat, stop saying he's dead every time the stream goes off. Did he take his seatbelt off? My man is being positively unsafe right now.
Yeah.
They're not gonna get out and move it, right? That's not a thing that they're gonna do, I hope.
Almost to the eye, 1 mile.
Yeah, as the chatter correctly pointed out, this is what is known as an invisible wall in a video game level, where they're like, hey, you're not supposed to go beyond this because you'll break the game. Now, I assume Reed is a glitch hacker, a speedrunner, so he doesn't care. He's gonna probably still try to go over the invisible wall. He probably should not be exploiting this glitch, though. It seems very unsafe, to say the least. See, they're saying skip. Is he out of the car? Yeah, this is called, oh my God, he's out of the fucking car! Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude. Stop doing what you're doing. Get in the fucking car, Reed. He's not gonna drive over it. Oh my God, he's driving over it. Oh my God, what is he doing? What are you doing? Oh my God, do not do this. Bro, do not do this. What are you doing?
Here it comes.
Oh my God, is he gonna send it? You can't do that. What if it fucking collapses? What if the power line collapses? Fuck it, bro, content. Dude, I'm like actually worried I might get banned. Like, I don't know if I can show this, dude. Jeez, sensors are firing the fuck off, dude. Hey, Oh, this is what he's driving, by the way, for those of you who are wondering. This is his fucking insane vehicle, dude.
Meteorologist Reed Timmer heading down to intercept powerful Hurricane Ida that is rapidly intensifying during the day today. It is expected to intensify.
Dude, I love this man. He's wearing a flex tape hat. Okay, listen. Flex tape can solve anything, but the only thing it can't solve is the top of the hour ad break, okay?
That's a good idea.
Bro,
we gotta do it.
Look at how busted his car is, dude. Another shot of the car. Of course he's a fucking Leaf. Of course he's a Leaf, Andy. 50-50 chance Dominator 4 survives this next storm chase. Bro, in this current market, he'd be able to sell that still. You know what I mean? Used cars are being sold, you know?
Some of the satellites enough how important it is to heed those evacuation orders here ahead of this storm. There is going to be
that I will be completely not listening to. As a matter of fact, you know, heed those evacuation orders that I will completely and wholeheartedly avoid. You know, don't do what I'm doing. You don't know much about storm chasing. He said these are for floods. When the water level is too high, they're used as boats. They float and have motors on the back. Shut the fuck up. Dude, I know all about this storm chasing, dude. You don't understand the analyzer. I'm the referee, dude. My poop sock missed saying it was your live stream.
Off the house, power lines down, prolonged power outages. It's gonna be no fun.
Mods, okay. Not today. That dude just said this is what Hassan's watching. That was serious, okay? And the fact that you just threw that out, like, fuck you.
Shut up, bitch.
I just want to be like Hassan, man. Like, it's just
off.
Got him. Yo, this is what Miskiv is watching right now, Hugh Janus. Okay, take an hour off. Why would you ever think I would want to watch whatever the fuck Miskiv is watching? I guess they're in the eye, right? That's why they're like already clearing trees. Yeah, they're clearing trees because they're in the eye. It's like, it's GG's at this point. The hurricane passed through them, so that's why it's calm there. Right? Is it like, or wait. Isn't it like safe for a second in the eye of the storm for a little bit? As soon as the eye moves, they're fucked. So maybe they're just like trying to fucking cut the trees out to continue evacuating people before the second half of the eye comes in. Dude, I'm the referee, dude. I know so much about hurricanes now, dude. Dude. I'm literally the referee, dude. The eye of the hurricane is quiet and calm. They can still get the back search wall and brunt of the hurricane, and the storm surge comes next. Well, the reason why they're clearing roads is because evacuations can still happen. Emergency services still need to get to places. So I assume during the fucking calm of the eye of the storm, they're Reed Timmer more like tree trimmer. Fucking got him, dude. God damn, M-HUD with a banger. Motherfucker's wearing slides, bro. Are you joking? Dude, everyone is Florida here. Every single person that's doing hurricane chasing is from Florida. You will never convince me otherwise. Extremely Florida behavior to just like be out in a fucking hurricane with your goddamn flippy floppies on. Like, big year for slides, honestly. Like, the Taliban took over Afghanistan in flippy floppies. This guy is just like helping clear out the fucking tree branches and shit. The fuck going on in Miami? No, it's not Miami, dude. He's got the goddamn busted ass goddamn Adidas. Yeah, I've lived through a hurricane when I was in Miami. But it wasn't like crazy, you know, and I don't really remember it. I did get fucking swine flu too, so thanks, Obama. Oh my god, are those cowboy boots? Cause he got them yeehaw 7s on, you know what I'm saying? He's going duck hunting. They're rain boots, lunatic. Okay, well, the fucking Look at that, bro. Look at that. The community getting together. Working together side by side. There's a sick dude there. You know, not a phone in sight. That's right, dude. Not a single phone in sight. Just kidding. Literally everyone has phones on. Like everyone. They have phones on their heads. Socialism is when you clear roads. Reed Trimmer has a cute little pupper. Dude, he also has the Chad jaw, dude. Absolute Chad man. Absolute Chad man. A madman and a Chad man.
That's good for you, though. It'll absorb. See how calm it is now?
No, the Storm Chaser I watched last year is Jiff. And Jeff is he's not doing too well right now. He's got no service. That's why we moved on to Reed Trimmer or Reed Timmer, the tree trimmer. That's right. Chat, much like Dark Souls bosses, the Hurricane also has a phase 2. Which is at the moment incoming.
The eye now.
Yes, that's right. Don't know if you know that or not, but there is a DLC to the second part of the Eye of the Storm, you know? The back wall. Louisiana is running low on HP right now. They did not have enough blast for the first phase of the boss. It's gonna be difficult to dodge. They're gonna have to parry a lot in the second phase. If they want to get through it. What? What the fuck? It's a video game, so it's fine, but still, what the fuck? How does that even happen, bro? Chat, it's literally a fucking video game. That's insane, though. Recommended based on your likes. I don't have any fucking likes. XQC was watching me too? Double kill. I don't have a Facebook, so like I have a dummy Facebook account. I love when there's like one guy who's just like, cut the music, please. It's triggering my PTSD. Like, I'm not gonna cut it, dude.
There's debris.
Yep, there it is.
Yeah.
Big tornado.
It's right here.
It's a big one.
Across right in front of us. Here,
I can
you
see
hear
it. Yep, I can hear it.
Look at it right there.
There it is, right there. You got the right edge. Are you guys seeing this? We're getting inside of it.
Holy shit.
We're getting inside the tornado right now, right here. We are in the tornado.
In the tornado.
In the tornado. We deployed the subsonic.
Stop it right here.
Stop right here. We gotta back up. We gotta back up.
Back it up. Back it up.
Hold the brake. Hold the fucking brake. We're gonna point into the wind. We're pointing into the wind. Pointing into the wind.
Pointing into the wind. Holy shit. Big tornado.
We did it! 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 In the fucking tornado! Woo!
Monster tornado! Holy shit! Holy, look at it right there. There's the funnel right there. Right above us.
Look at it.
Monster tornado!
Dude, white people shit, dude. Seriously.